All right, welcome guys to another uh, forex section. This is Euro USD. Let's do the analysis for 27th day of July before the market open, and the market will open in the next few minutes. And before we go into that, just do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out from any of our daily analysis, and also know that this video is for educational purpose only. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Now, as you can see, this was the setup we did the last week. I told us in the previous video that if you do your setup and the setup did not play out for that week or for that day, don't run after the market. Just wait, be patient for your setup to actually play out. Okay. Now, as you can see, the market broke out from this structure and gave us some level of retracement and giving us some sellers momentum. But I told us that this market have two possibilities. That there's every possibility that this is a fake out, that the market want to continue to the upside. That is a possibility. And there's the other possibility is that the market can continue going to the downside, which is also a possibility. But either way, let's just get our setup so that we can actually wait for the market. If it decides to go to the upside, we'll with the trend. If it goes to the downside, we'll trade with the trend. Okay. So now, what should we do? Now, as you can see, even though the market have broken this structure, I am seeing that the market is finding some level of support around this level. There's a level of support I'm seeing around this level. So that tells you that this pair might continue to the upside, and this pair is not also healthy to trade it around this level. So what should we do? This is where we should be looking for our entry at the break of this structure. At the break of this structure, we should be looking for our entry, okay? No longer at this level because of this level of support, this level of rejection that the market is finding around this price. Okay, so that is what we'll be expecting until the market break through this structure. We don't have a business with uh, selling this market. Okay, now for the buying aspect of it, should we start buying here? No. If you are buying this pair at this price, that is aggressive trading and it's a wrong way to trade. Okay, you should be buying, looking for buying opportunity when the market break back into this level. Then you can look for some level of bullish engulfing candle at the break of structure. You trap the price in a smaller time frame, then wait for the market to break, and then you can take opportunity of that break. Okay, so what is our setup for Euro USD? Two setup at the break of this level, retracement to this level, engulfing candle, bullish, bearish engulfing candle, then we can take a trade to the downside. And at the break for the sell aspect, at the break of this trend retracement, this level, the market break back into this level, give us some level of retracement and a bullish engulfing candle that we can actually follow the market to the upside. So either way, we are we should be ready for the price for the market. Okay, either way, this setup can actually accommodate anything the market want to do. Okay, so that is that for our Euro USD. Let's watch what the market will do. I'll be watching this pair. If I see the break of structure in either direction, I will definitely going to trade this trade. I'll trade this trade and make sure that if you are taking this trade, use at least risk at least 1% of your account, at most 2%, so that even if the market goes against you, you have more fund to enter other trades. Okay, that's for Euro USD. See you in the next pair. Bye.